Okay, today I want to show you these MC4 connectors. Got them under here. I'm going to give you a little demo how they work. But they come in packs of 6 and then 6, 12, 24, etc., etc. So you can see I've got them installed here, and this is the way they work and look. This is the female end for the metal part, even though it looks like a male end for the plastic part. And this is the male part for the metal end and the female part. So you generally put the female part on the red one. And the way you would do that is you take this apart. They come in all these components. But first thing you do is put this over the wire. This is the weather seal over the wire. We are doing the female part. So this is the, yep, that's the female part. And this is the male part as far as the metal connectors go. You take this on here and you use a crimping tool and you crimp that down, and then you take this piece and slide it up over the top, and you bring your weather seal up like that, and you bring your plastic piece up over it like that, and then if you're so inclined, you want to make it nice and snug, you can use these connection tools to put that together. So the only step I didn't do there is crimp it, but that shows you all the pieces and the parts, and this side is the opposite with the same components. So once again, buy a bunch of these. You'll need them. You can interchange them. Get some cable. You can make your own cables. It's awesome.